So alright guys, hope you guys are doing great. I'm also doing good here now. My motor have like some problems, so I'm going to fix that problems. I'm heading to workshop now. Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. I got a few problems of this Aerox. That's why I'm heading to workshop to fix this one. I got two problems here. The one is when I pick up, it comes vibration, and other things is my front tire is a little bit, leaking. Early in the morning, I lost my this motor, and I found the air is leaking from valve. So I'm gonna fix that one. This way, some places are, somewhere is good, somewhere is bad. So many dogs. Oop. Oh. Oh, chicken. Now this is a nice road. You can see that this hill, small hill, I saw before the dirt bike people are riding on the hill. You can see the road there. Whoa! Almost hit. Here is damn curve, blind curve. Looks like this curve is S shape. Here is a bridge. I like this steep road. We go, then we can see the beautiful view from here. Wow. See? The road looks slippery. This way there is like green green grass, small green grass. So I got an accident by that small green grass before. So when I see that, I'm so control myself. Very scary. Looks like here also so damn busy. You are the stuff of here? Yeah. Can you please check this one? I got a air leak here. I was early in the morning, so I found the air is leaking from here and from here. Ball. Is it possible to fix?
Yes.
We can do today or?
Sealant.
Huh?
Sealant.
Sealant? Sealant. And here also here.
Close the.
Really? And here also. It came. If you put here too big.
We will change it.
Change. Okay. Can you please?
Oh. Wait, because they're all busy. Slight busy.
Okay. That means it takes time.
No, it 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Ah, okay. No problem.
This one 2 minutes.
Ah, okay. Thank you. So you can see here lots of accessories. So guys, I wanted to put inside this liquid, but the tire is very, already very old. So I only decided to change new tires, new tires. Going to fix the front tire. So we already changed the new tire over here, and
Hey, I have a question.
yeah,
Are you a vlogger?
I do.
Ah,
So now I'm hitting from here. Okay, amigo, salamat.
sige, salamat.
So I changed the front tire, and it's really comfortable. Now it's really perfect. Now I have to solve the one problem, because sometimes when I pick up and it comes vibration. So according to I should have, I have to clean the, what is that called, the inside, so it will not vibration comes. I feel so smooth compared before. Yeah, it's really good to ride. There is so much turning and steep road, so it's really, hard to overtake, because it might come from other side vehicles like this. Looking so cute. So alright guys, I'm finally at home. I just wanted to just put sealant front tire that it will be fix the leaking of air, but when we took out the tire and it was really thin, the tire was really thin, so I prefer that better change. So I did change new tire. So it's really smooth, it's really comfortable now. Thank you so much for watching my video. Keep in touch, take care, bye bye.